Are you tired of struggling to hang picture frames straight? Whether it's a rectangular, circular, oval, or square frame, getting them aligned just right can be a challenge. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential tools and foolproof techniques to hang your picture frames straight every time. First, let's gather what you'll need. A measuring tape, a level, a pencil, some painter's tape, nails or hooks, and a hammer or screwdriver are all you'll need to get started. Now that we're equipped, let's tackle each frame shape one by one. For rectangular frames, measure the width and height to find the center point and mark it on the wall. Use the level to ensure the frame hangs evenly. For circular frames, focus on aligning the topmost point with the central axis. Oval frames follow a similar approach. Marking the longest vertical line helps maintain balance. And for square frames, symmetry is key, so precise measurements on all sides are essential. When arranging multiple frames, consider using painter's tape to outline the layout on your wall before committing to nails. This helps you visualize the composition and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. With these tips and techniques, you're ready to hang picture frames like a pro. Don't forget to step back and admire your perfectly aligned gallery wall. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.